Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word whereby. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The new software includes a feature whereby users can easily track their progress. Whereby is used to introduce a method or process by which something happens or is done in a particular way, indicating the means or manner by which something is achieved. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.